Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to set password in Outlook. For that, we are going to see in the Outlook web application. So this is the Outlook web application. Click on this profile and click on View Account option. It will take you to the password. Click the password option here. And here it will ask for the user ID. Make sure the user ID is correct and perfect, and give your old password and give your new password and confirm the new password and click submit. So this is how we have to set our password in the Microsoft Outlook web application. Let's cover the desktop application also. Click on this file option and click on this account settings, and again click on this account settings. So click the data files. You will click on your username and click on the security. If it is a Microsoft Exchange account, you have to contact your admin, and if it is a normal Outlook desktop application, you can change your set password or set your password by your own. But the way I have shown here is the to set the password in the Outlook desktop application. I hope you understood this video. For more video like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you.